Hi, my name is Seamus Sam. I'm the head chef here at Muse restaurant in Belgravia. So I'm responsible for the day-to-day running of the restaurant on behalf of Tom, from the ordering to the staff training, also dish development with Tom. Muse is quite a unique restaurant in the fact that we're split over 2 floors, a total of 26 covers. So the first floor comprises of 20 seats, including 6 on the counter, and then downstairs comprises of 6 downstairs seats on the counter as well. And then for the kitchens, we split it, but upstairs is kind of like all the hot food, while downstairs is responsible for larder / colds, and then also the pastry section as well. So I started working with Tom back in 2012 at his old flagship restaurant on Elliston Street. Worked there a couple of years, and then from there kind of went to the Clove Club in Shoreditch, followed by Restaurant Story in Bermondsey, and then Tom asked me to come to be the head chef at Muse. So yeah, quite a full circle, as it were. I would say the relationship between me and Tom now is very collaborative in terms of how we put things on the menu. We always try and sit down every couple of weeks and discuss what's coming into season, as well as what ideas we have, and then from that I'll take it away and give him some testers of things, and when we're happy, we're ready to go. It definitely, I would say it comes more naturally now. It used to take a lot longer to kind of get dishes on the menu. I would class it as modern British, but we definitely like to take ideas from all over the world. I think living in London, it's hard not to be inspired by different cultures and countries. I'd say my biggest challenge is trying to work out how to get the best out of people. Everyone's very different in regards to how they are motivated, so just working that out is key, I think. So I would say working under Tom, obviously being a super high profile chef, one of the culinary heavyweights, I would say, it definitely puts a little bit of pressure on myself, but it's, the expectations of the people coming to the restaurant are high, and it's something that we like to thrive on, actually. Yeah. The key to retaining our staff, I think, has been cutting down the working hours a little bit, actually. We're doing 7 shifts a week, so that really gives our chefs time to recover, time to recoup, but also when we demand a lot when they are here, because they're here less than most other restaurants. But I think that's the norm, that has to be the case in the whole of the restaurant industry, is to reduce people's working hours. I'd say eventually, yes, I would like to open my own restaurant. But yeah, happy here. I've learned a lot from Tom. He's a great mentor. But as an ambitious chef, I think you do want to open your own restaurant, and you do want to be your own boss as the end goal, yeah, for sure.